Good evening, Mark here. I have here a NuTone Verandah Deluxe. I believe this was manufactured in 1985, but judging by the numbers on the back, but I'll show them to you later and you guys can prove me right or wrong. Let's take it for a spin. Has the rheostat knob, but it doesn't do anything on high. Switch it down to low. It basically just has the two speeds, high and the low you can adjust. This is the highest setting on low. And I'll adjust it with the rheostat knob now. I'll turn it all the way down to low. Alright, and there you have it. Stay tuned for more fans. Thanks for watching.